Welcome to the place where words come alive.
Let's build a word. Word world. Jump to the beat.
Clap your hands in the air.
Let's build a word. Word world.
We've got friends of every size, building words before our eyes. Nothing's better than a letter. They hold our world together.
With dog and
Pig and sheep, there's always a surprise.
Welcome to our world. Word world. It's a beautiful world.
Chef Sheep.
what a beautiful day in Word World. Oh, there goes Sheep.
Gotta catch the show, gotta catch the show.
She's hurrying home to her haystack to watch her favorite TV show, Cooking with Chef Pig.
Bonjour, mes amis. Welcome to Cooking with Chef Pig. Today, we're making corn on the cob.
It's so exciting. I love this show.
Now then, what is the first thing we need to cook corn? A cooking pot.
Where's the pot? We don't have a pot.
No problem, Ant. We'll just build a new one.
Build a new one?
Building a word is a lot like cooking. You just have to follow the recipe and put things in the right order. Let me just check my cookbooktionary. Ah, yes. First, you take the letter P. P. Then comes the letter O. O.
And don't forget the letter T.
T. Ah.
Pot.
That's right. Pot.
That pig sure can cook. Oh,
Hey, I know we're supposed to be making corn, but this is my favorite pot for eating ice cream.
Pig, aren't you supposed to eat ice cream on an ice cream cone?
Well, maybe that's how you do it, Ant. But for me, nothing gets the job done better than a big old pot.
Pig?
Hey, something's missing. Chocolate sauce! So good, so good!
Pig!
Who turned off the lights?
Whoa! Man, that is one stuck pig.
Is that you?
Pig, you have a pot stuck on your face.
I have to trot in a duck race?
Whoa!
Hello, everyone. We're currently experiencing some technical difficulties, but we'll be back in 5 minutes.
technical difficulties. Oh dear. I had better go down there and see if I can help.
Good luck, Sheep.
She's gonna need it.
Oh, Pig's in luck because Sheep lives right next door.
Pig? Pig? Are you okay? You know, I saw you were having a little trouble. Can I help?
Well, Pig's face is stuck in a pot.
Trace my truck in a dot?
Oh, dear. Pig!
Wolf!
Listen! Your face is stuck in a pot.
My face is stuck in a pot? Well, no wonder I can't see. Why didn't you tell me, Aunt? Man, this thing is stuck.
But what about the show? And what are you going to do?
Well, I've got no star, and the show starts again in 3 minutes. Oh, I don't think there's gonna be any show today.
What? No show? What about Pig? Pig! Can you still cook?
Oh, sure. The show must go on, sheep. What do they put in that chocolate sauce anyway?
Oh, I don't think Pig can do it, Sheep. And there's no one here to take his place. Unless... Can you take over for Pig?
Me? Cook? On TV? I don't know. I mean, Pig is so very, very good at it and all. And I personally have never...
You ready, Sheep?
You know what would really help? Well, I'm thinking a chef's hat. A chef's hat would really help me pretend.
Well, Pig's wearing the only chef's hat. Trouble is, he's wearing the pot on top of it.
Ow.
See, Sheep likes to use costumes to help her pretend, but this time it looks like she's gonna have to be plain old sheep.
I don't think I can do it, Aunt.
You have to, Sheep. You have to believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself, you can do anything.
Even without a costume?
Mm-hmm. Even without a costume.
Right. Believe in myself.
You'll be fine. The show starts again in 10 seconds, Sheep. Okay, Sheep, here we go. In 4, 3, 2... Welcome back to the Cooking with Chef Pig Show, featuring today's special guest, Chef Sheep. Do something.
Hi. Welcome to, Cooking with Chef Pig. I'm not Pig, I'm Sheep, and I am standing in for Chef Pig today because, Pig has a pot stuck on his face.
Bonjour, mes amis.
Had to happen sooner or later.
And today's recipe is a cob on the corn on the cob. First, we need a pot. Oh no. Aunt, we don't have a pot. I told you I couldn't do this.
It's okay, Sheep. Keep calm. Remember, believe in yourself.
Oh, believe in myself, believe in myself. Well, we could build a pot.
Now that's thinking, Sheep.
Yes, just like Pig did before. All we have to do is follow the recipe and put the letters together in the right order.
I do believe it's time to... build a word!
It's time to build a word. Let's build it. Let's build it now.
Ooh.
P-O-T. Pause. Yeah, we just built a word. We built it. We built it.
That sheep's not half bad. That's funny.
Now let's see. Corn. C-O-R-N. Corn. Oh, here's a C, there's an R, and there is an N. Uh-oh. We're out of O's.
There is an O in the pot on Pig's head.
Do you mind, Pig?
Oh, be my guest. I can see. I can see.
Pig! Oh, that's great. Now you can do the show again.
Aw, no, Sheep. You do it. Put this on.
Well, that's okay, Pig. I have discovered, you see, that I don't really need it. This time, it's just me. Plain old sheep.
And so, Sheep follows the recipe. She puts the letters C-O-R-N together in the right way and makes...
Corn!
Oh, I knew you could do it, Sheep. Oh, you first.
Oh, thanks, Pig.
Sheep saved the show! And she didn't need a costume to do it. See, she discovered that with the right letters and believing in herself, there are a lot of things a plain old sheep can cook up.
I love corn. Come on, let's go get some.
The end.